What's up, guys? Your boy KC, and I'm here with.
Okay, Zanu.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Album never weekend.
Enoch.
It's a delay, but we're back. So the album is called Enoch by EXQ. 16 songs. Wally Enzo. Yeah.
The album's looking promising. It's looking promising. But almost out EXQ garage delivers.
Any vibe rage guys.
EXQ, I don't doubt. He's got anytime game.
Anytime.
I don't doubt with his ability to produce bangers. And he's still relevant. That's the difference, man. I remember he's consistent. Music it's timeless. They say music executed
timeless with the next year next year. So without that, let's get straight into the album. In fact, we are not going to react to all songs.
Yeah,
Panatango select amazing. 16 songs, that's a lot. Panatango select. So the first one is Kanonaka. Yeah.
Chichinonaka.
Yeah, this is it. Chinonaka. So let's get straight into the song Kanonaka. Like, share, subscribe to my voice channel. Comment down below. Yes, sir. Let's go.
They don't want pieces, they want war. They want to cut off my knees and toes. Have adequates in the zangos if I'm big, but don't divide it at all. Hey, and the go loser. All I wanna do is win-win in the handy for mega pusa. That's for sure. I'm moving maga win and young maga than the controller. But no two man a satani, I won't do and do that. You cannot bring me down. Look at me, I'm chilling now. Daka pombonoka.
Baroni vaya. Shit. Kabirka kaiva.
Ragaiva. And those on the like inungunzoti, yeah, this is EXQ.
Kabirka kaiva.
Sakumana ngakati ado time la December.
Obvious.
Because masound akadai so ndo ano trend at December guy.
Obvious, but zvandataura timeless ja. Chero abudita January rupupa.
December rechingori.
Yeah, because it's a vibe and the lyrics as well. And actually, wanatumana devil do rudu.
On controller.
Don't varira do.
Yeah.
But no varwa do nani. Pinda dara.
Ava mano gato varwa panonga pinda pani. There's another door inside.
But we do that.
Yeah, so yeah.
But I like the message.
The sound in the message, yeah.
In I win, I want to win.
I want to win, yeah.
Try my try music.
Yeah.
Mega.
It's mega, please. It's mega. Enoch, that's his name, right?
Right.
Yeah, Enoch, I forgot the same name. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember Jeraga EXQ? Enoch those Daragi. Yes. Alright.
Bangachi vamburese, bangachi swisunese. Tingato shitsana kumapena inandizipo. Anpere kanonaka. Anpere kanonaka. Okay. Dear wa machuza padiri mukaskrecha inina zinandava. It's okay. Bisira inin wezera ye azina basa mutope. Ingori la.
But the Jones Pagaga. I don't move any machines. If you check his music, he doesn't stick to one sound.
I don't focus on his sound really trending.
Yeah. I don't move. He develops his sound according to what's around. If that makes sense. So it's really better. I know somehow his sound blends into really better.
That's the same thing with Enzo. Because that's my Itsake. I did the sound. That's what you're hit after hit.
I don't think he won a rapper could I so good. And 20 years in the game.
Daranti was in the Epping Groove.
That's what I mean.
You
have to give him his flowers.
Shout out.
Not many artists are able to do that and still be relevant and pushing numbers.
That's true.
It's okay. My funga and it's okay. Sleep and it is funga and the block. Kadan the shore, it's okay. And my funga and it's okay. Putty and pere.
That's sketchy.
That's sketchy.
What is? Last year he dropped what verified what milestone.
I think he was on Jaira 20 years, guys. 20 years.
20 years in the game. Even na JP angasata tumbutanga uyimba pakatanga kuzi ari irayana Rocky Leonard Mapfumo yes shout out to EXQ
guys. That's good to
the romantic yeah
and pere Kanonaka and pere
isong inokwanza urizwa kumafaro
ndebhawa mafaro zvese party ndozanitugayo kuti December guy akatotagita December chatozongonza December chotomonzi Kanonaka.
But it's timeless music, guys. That's what I like about EXQ. Angugadzire mediocre music. Personally, that's what I feel.
Kuti anangogadzira kuti ingopise
just kungogadzira. I don't think so. That's why I like
it. Takes time to do that album with the
everything from the production to the lyrics to
yes. Manje kune dzimwe mizi dzekuti nepressure chinzamana fanira kudropa this Saturday tangotonyera lyrics today and do the beat today novanizongeta kana hit one day then but yeah, that's it for the reaction video, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe. Support my boys, my next songs, my next reaction videos. Yes sir, let's go.